if you not feel just feel fall for step like that, you know feel just feel join show like that. Yes, now that kind mentality now. Yes, once you see say you are going too fast at the front, you just go back a bit. There is not too much high speed, you go like this, left and right. If you try and now you go see go front a bit, try to hold brake. Make sure you are using both legs at the same time while you want to go forward. You just dey turn yourself like that, guys. Puppy,
my boy,
come here, boy. Come here. Oh, come on, boy. See how you're looking. You're looking so fresh. Show us your face, okay? Sure. If you try to, bite me, if I beat you, Papa not gonna know you again, sef. If I buck this baby. Guys, I'm going to get one of the ship. Let me get one of the big. Get mercy head. Oh my guy, what do you do? Say, come here, boy. Come. Talk here. It's a good life behind the camera. It's a good life. Good life. I'm chilling, vibing. Guys, I just tried to fly the drone. At least I did better than expected. I never knew the drone's battery is not that charged. So right now it's off. And it's in my fucking pocket. Right here. But my nigga is trying to learn how to roll on that overboard. I beg you, make my live happy life for life name bus.
Yeah, we outside chilling the cool chill weather. Every time we see ourselves, we cool show.
Hey, say my nigga they ball, they do freestyle when I like Life is talking with Chanel the Great. And my brother they call him Success. Any puppy. Now hey, oh my niggas, when you hear what? If you get the call my number, we go Bali to Medusa. We go puppy like we go puppy like this. Not tomorrow. Say on my haters, middle finger. You see say you know the fear you know the Hey, this is Nabanga. Every day first every day puppy. See my gaji, adeo. See my gaji, adeo. Success not feeding for the show your swagger. We don't want to go the tie road. Now they want to go the. You don't ready the one. Why you dey fear? Yeah, guys. I saw we dey do. Oh boy, it's a good life anyways, guys. Make sure you make yourself happy because it's your responsibility to make yourself happy. You understand? Yeah. You are responsible for your own happiness. Be at peace with yourself. That's why I'll love you better. Okay, baby. I see you when I see you. Peace out. Bye. Hey,